All right, what's going on? So what we're going to talk about right now is EURGBP. Today is August 8th, 2018. All right, so I'm just looking at the monthly time frame just to see what's going on. I see a strong move up, same way I see a strong move up here. Push down. I don't think I've ever traded EURGBP before, but if anything, it doesn't hurt to start now. So if anything, I definitely see a strong, it's not really that necessary, but a strong key level right here, just so I know in the future. Strong key level right there, and I see a strong. If anything, another one right here. It was around this area for a long time. So definitely this area. How many pips is that? Just making sure. 600 pips. This is beautiful, right? So if anything, I'm going to just take this area right here. If you don't know what I'm doing right now, I'm drawing monthly and weekly key levels. What I would definitely suggest is watch my video on monthly and weekly key levels, so that you can be able to understand exactly how I'm about to come up with this. Because if you don't know where price was in the past, you don't know where it's going. So that's why I take out the time to really, do this type of stuff, because believe me, this helps. Anything I'm supposed to do on the line chart, but I'm pretty sure it's fine. Yeah, this is on point. Yeah, this is on point. So I'm just going to take that number that I just came up with, this number right here, and I'm going to add it to this foundation range, the top portion of the foundation range right here, 0.71072, right? 77777. I'm pretty sure that's a psychological number for the world. Important, as you can see, price pushed down to this area, price consolidated around this area, price pushed down to this area, price pushed up to this area. And if I was to look on the line chart, it will look even better. Beautiful, as you can see. And then when you put on to the candles, it looks even better because there's involved and stuff like that. So I'm going to take that 7777 number, and I'm going to add our monthly number, 7777 plus 0.6698 and 1.4475. 0.7777 plus 0.0669. Again, if you don't know what I'm doing, I would definitely suggest that you watch the monthly and weekly level video. I'll probably tag it on here. All right, price consolidate around this area, and the reason why I needed these lines is because price is about to get to another one of these areas right now, so I need to know where it's going. Okay, 0.0669. Boom. 9, 11, 66. 9, 11, 66. All right, so that's where I think price is going. All right, I'm going to take difference to get my weekly, because if anything, price may push down instead. So take that number divided by 2. 0.0668 divided by 2. 0.3349. Okay. All right, and that's how I'm going to come up with my weekly. That's going to go right in the middle, and as you can see, price was hovering on it for a while. Pretty interesting. All right. That plus the bottom plus this line right here. This line. All right. That line. Plus 0.8446 Cool. 0.87817. 7, 8, 7. And as you can see, price 7, 8, 7. Cool. So you can see price, and if I was to go down to the day chart, you'll see price monthly. No, oh, that's why I just got to change this to a weekly. This is weekly, the one that's in between. Right, again, if you don't know what I'm doing, just go to my monthly and weekly key level video. Believe me, this is important. All right, so 4 hours. So we see price was literally hovering in between this weekly level for a long time, and that's why I stayed away from this. This is like when I started trading, and I just stayed away from this completely. Like 95 days in consolidation, and a consolidation range of freaking 100-something pips. Hell no, I'm not trading this. Like I wouldn't even touch this. Like no, that's why I stayed away. Price is getting away from this area finally, right? And it's probably going to really push, right? And I'm pretty sure it's going to push to this monthly right here. It's going to push up to this monthly right there. I don't see it doing anything else. I don't think it wants to be in this area anymore. I think it's done, right? So let's pull out fibs real quick, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be half. At 50%, point A, point B, and it consolidated in 38.2 and 61.8 for a while, right? Now it's pushing away. It was on an uptrend, strong uptrend. It's going to continue on the uptrend. That's what it's doing. It was deciding, okay, am I going up or down? And it's going up. So if anything, I think it's going to push up another, how many pips? Another 100 pips, which is not a lot. What? This is a garbage pair. So another 100 pips. 2. If anything, I'll do 2.91 flat. EURGBP 0.91 flat. As opposed to straight on it, 0.91 flat. If anything, to tell you the truth, I wouldn't be surprised. Price is going to, you see 31, 38.2, 61.8. We have these golden numbers right here, 28, 27%. I wouldn't be surprised. Price is probably going to go to 0.955. All right, let's see if price was ever around those areas. Yeah, price wicked in those areas from before. Price wicked in those areas. Let me see if I put this weekly, if it's going to coincide with over there. Right. We're going to take that weekly number right here that we have, which is this number, that number right there, plus the monthly. 94515. 94515. Cool. Not really, but it's close. And the other one will probably push right here. All right, yeah, I was just checking. All right, point A. Let's do point here. Let's see if it coincides. Nope, it doesn't. All right, well, that's what we have. But I wouldn't be surprised price is probably going to hit to this area right here. And as we can see, this is a strong push up. Price may push down to create a higher low. It may on that random line, which is perfect. I drew that random line because there was a sense of resistance to this area, and as we can see, price right now, if anything, price right now, if anything, It's probably going to push down to this area right here, and then from there skyrocket, maybe. Right. So if anything, I'll probably put like a buy limit at that area. Yeah, I'll probably put a buy limit at that area at 0.897. Right, of a really low lot size because I wouldn't be watching this at all. I'll just let it hit it. So buy limit 0.97. My stop loss, if anything, I'll probably put a really tight stop loss because if anything, I'm just not going to trade this. But my take profit would definitely be at this area, the 0.911. And if anything, I'll probably just set an alarm to look at this and not get into any type of trades at all. Right, and I'll put it at this. So I'll put value crossing ones, crossing down past this random line that we have here. This random line. So crossing down 8, 9. Let's just do 7. Keep it simple. And I'll put crossing down should push start push create. All right, so now I have an alarm set for that. All right, so long term, I see this continuing at the least, not long term, but short term, getting to this monthly level and continuing the uptrend. That's what I see for this pair. That's what I see for this pair. Hopefully this helps you out. Again, I see price pushing down to this area right here, and I see the continuation of that buy to push up. So hopefully this helps you out, and greatly appreciate your time. Like this video, comment on this video, share this video to somebody that you believe would actually gain some type of assistance from it. Subscribe to our YouTube so that you can be able to actually anytime that I put out a video, you can be able to get access to it literally right away. What else? And if this video helped you out, leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you have any ideas of future videos I can make in the future, leave a comment. And let's become a FX Pro now. Let's get it.